Mr. Hollis, is there anything you want to say about the charges?
Out of my face.
The man accused of sexually assaulting a child at a local amusement park stood before a judge today. The alleged sexual assault took place back on June 22nd at Martin's Fantasy Island. Well, today, Barry Hollis was in court for the first time since being charged. News 4's Ed Drantch was at the hearing. He has more for us. Ed.
Jackie, the family accusing Barry Hollis of sexual assault says their daughter was sitting next to Hollis on the Crazy Mouse roller coaster last month. That's when they say he took advantage of an opportunity. This was the judge's opportunity to take action. Accused of sexually assaulting an 8-year-old girl.
Mr. Hollis, is there anything you want to say about the charges?
Out of my face.
36-year-old Barry Hollis walked into Grand Island Town Court for a felony hearing, coming face to face with the parents accusing him of attacking their daughter June 22nd. She was on the Crazy Mouse roller coaster at Martin's Fantasy Island with a friend, but was sitting next to Hollis in the horseshoe-shaped car.
I hope he gets some time out of it. Not sure what his situation is. There's no excuse for this for anybody.
The victim's father was in court, sitting on the edge of his seat, listening to the back and forth between the defense and prosecution. Assistant District Attorney Liam Dwyer called this a, quote, brazen attack by a 36-year-old man on an 8-year-old girl. The victim's mother burst into tears hearing that description.
It's like a nightmare has come true. And I wouldn't wish this on anybody.
Although the prosecutor wouldn't speak on camera, he said in court today there is a mountain of evidence against Hollis, including a full confession and eyewitnesses from inside the park.
I'm sorry, I'm not going to be making any comment. You can.
Mary Beth Pasquale represents Hollis. She walked out of the courtroom with his mother at her side.
Hollis, can we talk with you?
Oh, no thanks, sweetheart. I think I told you everything you need to know.
Hollis's mother spoke with News 4 on Monday.
Is he capable of doing something like this?
No, I'm not understanding even if he did.
The defense said Hollis has autism, is bipolar, and has ADHD, but has no criminal history. The judge ordered he stay away from the victim and her family, sending Hollis back to jail. Hollis waived the right to a felony hearing today. The case will now go before an Erie County grand jury. Bail remains the same tonight, from $2,500 cash or $5,000 bond. Hollis faces a prison sentence of 2 to 7 years if he's convicted. Reporting live in the newsroom this afternoon, Ed Drantch, News 4 at 5:30.